Antique furniture occupies a unique place in our collective imagination, evoking a sense of history and enduring value that transcends mere function. These pieces are more than relics of the past. They are silent witnesses to the lives, tastes, and aspirations of previous generations. The allure of antiques lies not only in their craftsmanship and materials, but also in the stories they embody and the cultural resonance they maintain. In today's world, owning an antique is often seen as a way to connect with heritage, imbuing modern interiors with a sense of continuity and depth. This section delves into the reasons why antique furniture continues to captivate collectors and enthusiasts alike, exploring the emotional and cultural significance that underpins their enduring appeal. In the world of antiques, each piece tells a story of human ingenuity and dedication. Unlike today's mass-produced furnishings, historical objects were shaped by the hands of master craftsmen, whose expertise is evident in every carved motif and meticulously finished surface. The process demanded not only technical skill, but also patience, as artisans selected materials, perfected joinery, and applied finishes that would endure for generations. These subtle marks of handwork, tooling traces, irregularities, and bespoke ornamentation distinguish authentic antiques, offering tangible evidence of the artistry and time invested in their creation. The enduring allure of antique furniture is deeply rooted in the materials chosen by past craftsmen. Hardwoods, such as oak, walnut, mahogany, and cherry, were favored not only for their strength, but also for their rich grain and capacity to age gracefully. These woods resist warping and wear, allowing surfaces to develop a patina that tells the story of centuries of use. The tactile beauty of a well-preserved antique is inseparable from the integrity of its original materials, which continue to distinguish authentic pieces from later reproductions. In the collector's eye, material quality is both a testament to historic craftsmanship and a key to an object's survival through generations. Antique furniture is more than mere decoration. It is a tangible chronicle of the eras it has survived. The patina on a wooden surface, subtle wear on a gilded edge, or the careful mending of a joint all serve as silent witnesses to generations of use and adaptation. These traces reveal not only the craftsmanship of their makers, but also the evolving tastes and daily rituals of those who once owned them. In this way, each piece becomes a living document, connecting us to the interiors and individuals of centuries past. Antiques possess a unique allure that transcends fleeting trends, offering a tangible connection to the artistry and values of earlier eras. Their authenticity is evident in the patina of aged wood, the subtle irregularities of hand-forged metal, and the meticulous joinery that modern manufacturing rarely replicates. Collectors and designers alike are captivated by the stories embedded within these objects, the marks of use, the traces of past owners, and the enduring quality of materials chosen for longevity rather than expedience. In interiors, antiques introduce a sense of depth and character, elevating spaces with their quiet testament to human ingenuity and cultural heritage. Modern furniture is often celebrated for its convenience and cost-effectiveness, catering to the demands of contemporary living. However, it seldom achieves the intricate craftsmanship or enduring materials found in antique pieces. Antiques are distinguished not only by their artistry, but by the patina and character acquired over generations, each mark a testament to their journey through time. While modern designs may prioritize function, antiques encapsulate the values, skills, and aesthetics of their era, making them irreplaceable artifacts within the narrative of interior history. In considering the enduring dialogue between antique and modern furniture, each piece invites us to reflect on our own aesthetic values and the stories we wish to bring into our living spaces. The allure of antiques lies not only in their craftsmanship, but in the layers of history and meaning they embody. Modern design, by contrast, often speaks to innovation and the evolving needs of contemporary life. By exploring both realms, we deepen our appreciation for the artistry and cultural narratives that shape luxury interiors. This journey through historical design encourages a more thoughtful, discerning approach to collecting and curating our environments.